Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Egon Goodness, and in today's video, sorry for the background noise, I'm going to show you how to achieve this Owambe look with your everyday makeup. So stay tuned to know how I created this look. So firstly, I'm going to be applying my moisturizer, and this is going to be put in the description box so that you can go check them out. They have really nice things for your skin over there, and I really like this moisturizer because it actually does the work of a moisturizer. Like, it helps to dry my face and keep everything set before applying my foundation. So next, I'm going to apply my Johnson's baby powder on my face. Yes, I know I found this on TikTok and I've been using it so far, and it helps to give me a full coverage foundation look, so it looks like my second skin. I don't know if you get what I mean. Going on to the primer. Yes, that's the primer I use. I'm going to put everything in the description box below. So I'm applying the primer. I use this makeup brush so that it can sink into my skin, not just having it to my palm and not letting it transfer onto my skin. I'm just trying to put it till like it dries. Yes. Next, we are going to using the LA Girl foundation. So I'm using this my face makeup brush to place the foundation right on my face before I blend it out. So this way it's like I have something on my face, then I just use the blending brush, or the blending foam rather, to blend it out. Making sure everywhere has perfect amounts. Now we are blending, making sure no part is left untouched. Yeah, we're still blending. And yeah, we're done. Next, we're going to do aloe vera full coverage concealer. I'm using this for ages now. I like it because it has the perfect shade I need. It's like, I think, 2 shades of the higher than my skin. And for contour, I'm using aloe. Everything's gonna put in the description box below. So this is just to contour my face. Yeah, that's how I contour my nose. I don't know if it gives me different look, but now for my cheekbones. At this point, I'll just point that everything comes out well, because I was rushing. So yeah, blending my forehead, and I learned, like, I think like 5 years ago, that if you're someone that has a big forehead, which I do have, it's better to have more contour than highlight, because highlight tends to pop other parts. So someone that has a big forehead like me, I usually have more contour than highlight. So I'm trying to blend everything in now. So now we are blending, starting with the highlighter so that it will blend into the contour. I'm trying to get the under part of my eye. So we're blending. So I'm trying part of that so that I won't have to put anyone away from the eyeshadow. So just take part of the highlighter I already have on my face and put it to my eyelid. And now to blend out the contour once again. So now for my setting powder, I'm using the Sacha setting powder, vanilla flavor. So this is going to go to the places that I have highlighted, mostly under my eye. According to the name, you just have to set everything. I'm going to put the highlighter on. So for my eyeshadow, I use the Jaclyn palette, and I'm blending in my eyeshadow in shade, I don't know, but looks like red maroon-ish. So I'm blending. So this is like the top layer. So these are the three colors I have on. So I'm blending it out because I don't want it to be too intense, too deep. Okay, this one is looking too big, so I have to blend that properly. And take notes of the way I'm holding the brush. I'm not holding like I'm going to fight somebody. I'm holding it lightly so that my wrist can move in a swift motion so it can blend properly. People stop holding your makeup brushes like they offended you or like it's your boyfriend's. Okay, now for this look, I'm using my angle brush and the same concealer I used to apply on my eyelids because I'm going to be using a color there that I want to pop out. So I'm using the concealer. To be very honest, I don't really know why they do this, but I think this is the reason why they do it, just to make that pop up and everything. Or if I don't really know, but I do it and it looks nice. And there are times where I can just leave it to dry out there, but not when I'm using color red. So I'm not really looking like a surface color. So that's it. I just try to apply very smooth so it can dry faster. Now for my lips, I'm using the Huda Beauty. I'm using the brown gel to give me this dark line across my lips. You can use an eye pencil, lip liner, or this. I like this because it stays longer, and I think it's waterproof because it lasts longer than normal. Sorry if I'm dragging my words. I need to sleep desperately. So I'm just using it to outline the extremes of my lip, and I'm matting it to give like this borderline. I'm using Huda Beauty matte lipstick shade red. I never knew I had so much Huda Beauty products till this video, so I'm applying it. I'm matting my lip together. Then I'm using my lip gloss. I don't know if you just know, I'm looking like an African magic character. So this is going to be the gloss look. I'm doing this because I want the concealer to dry, but it's wasting too much time. This is what I usually do. I just take the setting powder and apply it there. Like, please, anybody go to my place, like, we always have something to do. So I'm applying it there so that it can dry on time. Yep, and this is how we're looking like. So I'm going to be using this colors to put there as like a base foundation. So it's like okay, I'm going to be using a gold color later, so this color is just going to give me like a base look, see it look like my skin, and not like I applied foundation there. Sorry, not like I applied concealer there, but you can see the matte applied is looking like, oh, it's my skin that's there. I'm just going to clean that out. So we're looking like right now. Next, for the gold final look, mixing those two shades of gold, and I'm applying it with my Urban Naked brush. So that's it. To be honest, I didn't even know if these two colors were going to look nice together, but I was like, you know what, it's what it is. It is what it is. I actually scared of this look. So that's it. That's how the gold color is looking like. So that's my straight set to my exposure well. And yeah, for my bronze, I'm using the Fair Up my bronzer brush, just sweeping it right across my cheeks, like power I smile and my cheeks pop. So yeah, where the sun hits, where the light hits my face more, and across my nose bridge. Then my nose struggling to see the other part of my face. Now time for lashes. Yeah, I put my lashes on. Okay, I'm trying to remove the excess setting powder I have under my eye. I sort of struggled with my lashes today, so I'm going to be going into my brows. So firstly, I brush my brows, then I use my soup brow to brush my hair all up so that it does not move an inch during the day. So I use that particular brush and my soup brow. You can purchase a soup brow from wherever I want to purchase it from, but I'll try to find a link from where I put it there. So I'm using the Huda Beauty shade brown, one I used before for my lips, to just basically blend my brows. Normally I don't use this much, but I don't know, I guess I really applied too much, and like I said, I was working with time, so I didn't have time to clean it and start it again. But normally I just fill in the patches where I don't really have much hair on my eyebrows, but today is like I'm going for a full look, so we move. So I'm applying. Yeah, and this Huda Beauty gel comes in 2 colors, brown and black, and it comes with its own brush, so I think that's why I like it so much. Now I'm considering under my eye with my concealer. You wonder why I'm laughing so much? My brother came in and he was trying to hide. So yeah, I'm concealing with my angle brush from Naked and my LA Pro Coverage concealer, and I'm blending it. Okay, let me give you guys a quick tip. If you don't like too much foundation on your forehead, I sometimes use the remaining concealer I have from my brows to just serve as highlighter for my forehead. So right now I'm trying to blend the under part, so I'm taking the wine color I have underneath to just, so I don't look like, oh, it's like vanilla and Benue. So trying to blend all of it the same. My powder is Buttercup. Yeah, I'm using my Buttercup face powder now to just touch up everywhere. I'm making it like a snack. So that's it. I'm just touching everywhere up. If you notice, I'm not sweeping, I'm just applying, I'm patching it there. To just give it a full coverage look. Now for under my contour, I'm using my blending brush and my setting powder to just give me that sharp cuts. So you just snatch that contour away, like a two-edged sword. I think I like that better. So that's it. This is what we're looking like right now. Just ignore the lashes. Those are bad ways to do. So now I'm going for my tail line. I'm using the Huda Beauty, the black shade, and this thing just stays in all day long. Now I'm applying mascara because I like it. I like the look it gives me. I don't have any excuse for this, but I just like it. And we are using our finishing setting makeup all-rounder spray to just keep my makeup in place. Applying our baby hair, doing the edges, laying everything all up, looking like a snack. I'm using the Echo Styling Gel. And we are done, guys, and this is the look. So this is it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video,